LJ Polytechnic, committed to excellence, the place of knowledge, skills, and continuous learning, the place of discovering new possibilities. LJ Polytechnic, exploring new technologies, well-equipped engineering laboratories, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, automobile engineering, high-tech computer laboratories having facilities of information technology, AI/ML, gaming and animation, cloud computing and big data, architecture studios with latest techniques and tools, design laboratory, Internet of Things and robotic laboratory, industry-friendly automobile engineering workshop, state-of-the-art mechanical engineering workshop, drawing hall, enrich library, digital media recording studios. LJ Polytechnic, scaling education to next level. Case study, assignments, group discussion, presentation, study tours, bridging the gap between classroom and real world. Innovation Village, the platform to display innovative products and startups by innovators. Startup and incubation, funding the projects. Research interaction, project to product mission. Faculty development, excellent linkages with world's top companies to prepare skilled manpower. Train more than 5,700 ready-to-work employees. LJ Polytechnic, experiencing the best of campus life. Sports Week, followed by various games. Eventia, the annual function. The Uttarayan celebration. Deeprang, the Diwali celebration. LJ no Sanedu, the Garba celebration. Students' appreciation for the best performance. LJ Polytechnic, turning passion into profession, improving communication skills and personality development to empower the youth with exceptional talent in becoming future leaders for a prosperous India. LJ Polytechnic has become the ultimate destination for complete education.